MTV and welcome to my crib. A little preview shot. Yeah. So as you can see, it's a very easy to open and fast automatic door. I don't even need to touch the door actually, it just opens right up for you, see? And right as we step in, we see the 2-bedroom aspect of this crib. Don't mind the zipper sounds. It's got a 75-inch flat screen 4K Ultra HD TV that comes with the reservation, or rentervation I should say, because this house is available to rent. That's right, this house right here in this great spot with a built-in fireplace could be yours for just $999.99 a month. It comes with 2 free water bottles, 1 metal and 1 plastic, a tissue box, an inflation machine for God knows what. You'll be into some weird stuff. And it even comes with these packs of movies for, you know, your movie nights. You know, sometimes you just want to come home from a long day of work, pop in a good old movie on this Blu-ray player, which is not included. You have to bring your own Blu-ray player. I'm not going to give you the Blu-ray player. You have to actually bring your own. Yeah, that's actually a big, that's a big no-no. I'm not going to leave that there. I'm actually going to take that with me after I do this tour.
Oh, and we should probably mention, if one of these movies is missing after your stay, you will be charged with your life. Alright.
But you do get this box. It's a cool box right there. Now, some would say that this is the place here. I just want to show you the differences. So, here you can actually see that the door is closed. But when you come out here, you can actually see that it is wide open. So it is not the same. It's actually just for a tent. That box is just for a tent, not for this property. Anyway, here's a big old shot of the rent-a-home. You know, I hope you like it. Oh, I actually have to take those sleeping bags too. So you're gonna have to bring your own sleeping bag. But yeah, other than that, thank you for watching my tour of this house, this rent-a-house. I hope you are able to rent it, and if you're not, you're poor, and you're a loser. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye.